All right, so on our screen we have an example of a weekly leads report developed from Lawmatics. So let's see what we're looking at here. So we have the primary lead types as the primary field, and so we are seeing subtotals or counts by lead type. So we have 2 referrals, 1 lead from Google My Business. And we have the first name of the PNC, the last name of the PNC, the practice area for the deal. This campaign is the name of the person that provided the referral. Then in referral type, we have notes if it's a client referral or a center of influence referral or a professional referral. And then we have the date the deal was created. So let's first jump into the syntax that was used to create the report. And so when you edit reports within Lawmatics, these are the fields that are added to the view. When you do, so source, that I have a grouping included on the source, and that's why it's moved to the left and we get the pull downs. And so it's a little bit out of order from the fields selected at the top. And this referral type is a custom field. So I'm going to say this here for this. So you can stop your video and you can pull up these fields and create this and then save it. But let's talk about what's going on with that custom field. So Lawmatics has a special marketing setting of referrals that when you select referrals as the marketing source, Lawmatics goes and lets you pull up the name of the contact or the name of the referral partner from all of the other contacts within the database. And so this is great because if you do this, that Ruby Carlson will be spelled the same every time. It'll be consistent, and we're connecting the deals to specific contact records. And if we can follow how the database wants to think, we're better off. The trouble is we want to know which referrals are client referrals, which referrals are professional referrals, that we want some sort of split out exactly what time of referral that is. And so the workaround that I've come up with is we create a custom field of referral type. And so typically this will be a client referral, center of influence referral, or professional referral. And then we set this custom field when we add the deal. So from the deals page, we know that if it's a referral, that we pick the name of the person who the referral came from, and then we know we have to go up and add the referral type. And so that's where we receive this special referral type detail on the screen. And typically we want to know what kind of referrals we're getting because some firms really drive, and some practice areas really drive on client referrals. So personal injury, a lot of those firms grow based on client referrals. We know exactly how many client referrals we receive in every week to make sure that newsletter is working, that our work product and other communication with existing clients is working. Other firms, we have campaigns where we're keeping track of nurturing referral partners, and so we need to know which deals are coming from referral partners. And so that's where this additional detail is critical. Setting this custom field is kind of a pain, but if we run this report every week and make sure that everyone that's listed as a referral has this column completed, we can provide some quality control to make sure that the sales department is updating the data as needed. And with that, so the other piece is typically we ask firms to run this report every week for the prior 2 weeks. And so you can filter the dates that the report is run, that there's this custom option at the bottom, and you can run this report for all the deals received over the last 2 weeks, export this to Excel, and then bring this into your management meeting to just review the deals that we've received to make sure that the tracking and lead volume we expect is accurate. Thanks.